I'm Scott Wilhelm. I'm a partner at Winegar, Wilhelm, Glynn Roemersma with offices in Phillipsburg, New Jersey and Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, and I practice in the area of bankruptcy. I do mostly consumer bankruptcy, which means individual debtors who are seeking relief from their creditors. They've accumulated too much debt and they need a way to address that. And there are a number of ways to address your debt in the under the bankruptcy laws. You can do a reorganization, which is known as a Chapter 13, where you reorganize some of your debt, pay back less than 100% of your debt, and get relief from your creditors. The more common bankruptcy that more people are familiar with is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, where the debtor individual does not have to pay back any of their debt. But in order to be eligible for either Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, there are certain requirements regarding income and assets that you own. It's very important to consult with a knowledgeable lawyer to discuss these issues. A lot of people are concerned that if they file bankruptcy, they may need to lose some of their property, their house or their car, but in most circumstances, there is the opportunity to keep your house and your car, and in fact most of your possessions, because there are exemptions under the law. That is, things that the Congress has allowed you to keep when you file bankruptcy. So it's very important to speak with somebody who's knowledgeable to find out which option, Chapter 7, Chapter 13, or some other option is best for you. Bankruptcy law is very debtor friendly. The idea is to give individuals a fresh start. Sometimes they've incurred circumstances beyond their control, whether it's medical expenses from an illness, a death in the family, loss of a job, or some other unforeseen circumstance. And bankruptcy there is to help people get a fresh start. So it's very important to speak with somebody who's knowledgeable to find out which option, Chapter 7, Chapter 13, or some other option is best for you. If I'm representing somebody in a bankruptcy and they qualify, they can expect to feel the pressures taken off of them. When most people come in, they are kind of at the trail's end and they are concerned about how the debt has affected their life, and they're usually pleasantly surprised when we discuss their financial circumstances to demonstrate that there is going to be a fresh start.